Do you want to create stunning, professional-looking videos that grab attention and leave your audience wanting more? Whether you're editing your first video or trying to step up your game, this guide will show you how to edit like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's unlock your creative potential. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right software to applying advanced editing techniques. By the end, you'll have actionable tips to take your videos to the next level, so stick around. First things first, choose the right video editing software. If you're just starting out, free tools like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut are great options. As you progress, you can explore premium tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Your software doesn't define your skill. Focus on mastering its core features. Before you start editing, organize your clips. Rename files, create folders for video, audio, and assets. Trust me, staying organized will save you countless hours. Start with the essentials: cutting, trimming, and arranging clips on the timeline. Pay attention to pacing. Your video should flow smoothly and hold the viewer's attention. By now, you've got the basics down. But here's the secret. Even pros use tools to save time and enhance creativity. Speaking of tools, let me share something game-changing: AdCreative.ai. It's an AI-powered platform that helps you generate ad banners, captivating text, photo shoots, and even videos that outperform your competitors. Imagine spending less time brainstorming and more time creating. Ever wondered how top brands create ads that convert? AdCreative.ai uses data-driven insights to ensure your visuals stand out and grab attention. Check it out. I've linked it in the description. Transitions are more than just moving between clips, they set the tone. Use simple cuts for a seamless look, or experiment with effects like crossfade or slide transitions sparingly. Audio can make or break your video. Choose royalty-free music that matches the mood, and add sound effects to highlight key moments. Adjust the levels so your audio doesn't overpower the visuals. Color grading is where your video truly comes to life. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your clips look consistent. Use LUTs, lookup tables, for quick professional results. Captions, titles, and lower thirds can enhance storytelling. Keep them simple and legible. Tools like Premiere Pro or Canva are great for creating clean, professional graphics. Every video tells a story. Even if it's a simple vlog, have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Think of your edits as tools to guide the viewer's emotions. Be ruthless with your edits. If a clip doesn't add value, remove it. This keeps your content concise and engaging. Start strong and add moments of intrigue throughout. Think of it like planting seeds of curiosity. Your audience will stay to see them grow. Let's recap. Choose the right software, organize your files, master transitions, use sound effectively, and color grade your footage for a polished look. Remember, every great video starts with great editing. The more you edit, the better you'll get. Start small, experiment with styles, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're ready to take your editing to the next level, check out AdCreative.ai. It's a game changer for any creative workflow. The link is in the description. Your creativity has no limits, so don't hold back. Start editing today and see how far your skills can take you.